Hello, everyone. I made this video because my friend said, if I reach a goal then I should face reveal and show my voice when I'm not tired, and if you guys want to, then I'll set the goal to 100 subs or more. Thank you guys, and the background shows me getting my third garden in Grow a Garden.